garden friends, it's Heather at Bush Poppy Farm. Today is an inside day. It's gonna be really hot in the upper 90s again, and since most of the work I have to do out at the farm involves needing other people to help, I'm gonna stay inside and preserve food today. So the first thing I'm doing is a fig jam, a sticky fig jam that has balsamic vinegar in it. It's really good. I make this most years and can it, and we use it on pork. You know, you can use it on anything. Ice cream, it's just good. The next thing I'm going to do is make some fresh salsa because we have a load of tomatoes. And then I'm going to make some more cowboy candy. And at this point, I'll put the link to some of these. Sorry, I had to hit the figs. I will link to as many of these recipes as I can. Some of them come from really old books. But I just want to make sure I cite everybody so I'm not infringing on anybody's property, intellectual property for these recipes. Yeah, so I'm just going to take you guys along. Probably won't be doing too much talking, but you'll get some video. And if you have any questions about these recipes, let me know. So it's been a busy day. Got 4 pints roughly of fig jam put up, and one of them is just going to go directly in the fridge. And then we had enough for a quart jar of salsa, and then the other one is not all the way full, so I'm going to just put that in the fridge once it cools down and we can just eat it fresh. But the other one will be able to be stored on the shelf. I am running out of time, so I'm not going to be able to make cowboy candy today, but that's okay. That'll be a separate video. I could do that maybe tomorrow. So I want to thank you for joining me today. I hope you have a great time in your garden, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.